is going on? Welcome back. First night in the new shop. I'm not going to show you the whole thing. You guys always ask for the day-to-day stuff, anything. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to kind of give you what the day-to-day is. What's today? Tuesday night after work. As you can see, we're still kind of using some lights, the original lights from here. We are actually putting up the new lights in the shop. And you guys, this was actually a big topic on my last shop, what lights we put up. So I'm going to show you guys them. Huge shout out to Steve Morrow from ASA Lighting, getting me hooked up again. He's the one who got me the lights for the last shop. These are actually pretty similar, but they are a little bit different. But I'm gonna go over them. If you guys need commercial lighting, I'm not sure if this is okay, Steve, but look up ASI Lighting. Steve is the man. He basically gave me like a whole map of candles per square. I mean, you know the deal. Like there's a lot that goes into it. So any type of lighting needs, hit them up. These lights are bad. I already kind of dummy plugged one up, about blinded myself, but we got my man Sawyer over here. He's gonna be helping us get these babies up. Luckily, the guys who are doing all of the work inside here left a man lift. So tonight's the night, they gotta get put up, and that's what we're gonna do. So anyway, let's check these lights out. Here's the exact part numbers of what we're gonna be using right here. These ones that are gonna go down the side are 18,000 lumens a piece. The ones that are gonna go up in the ceiling up here are 30,000 lumens. So what we gotta do is we gotta basically wire these babies up. These can actually be dimmed, but who wants to do that? So we're gonna run these babies full blast, see how bright they are. But I believe they are, where's the brand on these things? Let me see, right here, Lithonia Lighting. So if you guys need shop lights, I know these things are definitely probably a little bit more than the Walmart brand, but I can guarantee you they are worth I'm dropping stuff, every single penny. These are LEDs. I know the big thing is these bulbs, like the conventional style, they burn a lot of, I don't know, am I saying that right? They're not very cost effective. Your electricity bill is gonna be higher. These LEDs that I had in my last shop, man, like my electric bill was like $10, $5 a month. So they barely do anything. So anyway, let's pull out the old new first gen here, and let's get to work. First one, almost done. Figure I'd give you a look. We're using the supplied install kits, which I'll show you guys up close here. As you can see, we're kind of hanging down, I would say this distance from here to here, don't mind the Sharpie writing on my hand, but from here to here is 10 feet. We're almost maybe level. I'll show you guys up here. We might want to try and eventually get them up a little higher. I'm not sure. We'll wait till our man Steve kind of gives us the what's what. He'll probably tell us how short or tall they need to be, but the install kits are super nice. As you can see, they kind of use these little clevis hooks, and then they go up and they wide together with this this clamp, and then they have these quick release tabs, which are really, really nice. And we're not gonna cut the wire, we're just gonna kind of loop that up, leave it up here. That way, if we ever use these for something else, drop them down. But we got the hooks installed. Got our little quick latch releases. And yeah, you can kind of see we're maybe hanging down a little bit. Maybe 6 inches or so from the 10-foot mark, but we got Sawyer. He's wiring up the plug. And yeah, the outlets that we trimmed up, I don't think I showed you guys these, but we actually recessed the boxes in the ceiling before they were hanging out of the plywood, like, man, a full box. So we actually spent some time, cut them in. The guys who did the shop trimmed around them. We're not gonna get into that. We're just really doing the lights tonight, but should be looking good. Get a little short whip attachment on there. And I guarantee you one of these lights is probably going to brighten up this whole place way more than our temporary units, but we're getting there. One down, 8 to go. Again, we're gonna do a full shop tour, but check out these beams. Man, you guys know, your man Greg was not up here staying in these things. This was all alley. Each beam took between 4 and 5 hours a piece, and we did 2 coats on it. Well, there I go, saying we. She did 2 coats on each beam. There is a ton of time staining these beams, but man, the guys who did the shop framed them out really, really nicely. They came out super, super good. Anyway, we're not gonna give you the full tour yet. We're just working on lights tonight. Well, I'm down here waiting for Sawyer to plug in the light, showing you guys how bright it is, when I just realized we have 3 30,000 lumens and we have 6 18. Well, guess what? 1, 2, 3, 6. Yeah, go figure. Our first one we already messed up. We got the wrong lumen power in the wrong spot. So let's go ahead. We'll get the right one up here. Nothing like doing work twice, always. Alrighty, moment of truth. I don't know which one of these light switches it is. Okay, not one of those. Woo! I see the light. Oh yeah. Man, you guys aren't even gonna be able to tell how bright these things are. That's pretty bright. That's pretty bright. All right, time to kick some butt and get the rest of them up. All right, first 3 are done. We even enlisted the help of the cleaning lady. How you doing, babe? You doing good? Man, I'm not trying to show everybody your butt, don't worry. Check out the OG Comp Diesel hoodie. So old. Oh, we're getting yelled at. Getting yelled at. Alrighty, check it out. We have all 9 lights up, and it is bright. Super bright, not gonna blind you, but man, oh man, this thing, the camera is not gonna do it any justice. It is super, super bright in here, but that is it. We are all done. It is 12 o'clock. Feels good to finally spend a night out here. I can't wait to get back in here. I know you guys can't too. Can't either, whatever I'm saying. But yeah, I just want to I want to level with you guys a little bit. I know it's kind of echoey in here. I'm kind of trying to get out of this funk, this groove. You know, I've been kind of not posting videos a whole lot, and that's going to change. We are getting back into the swing of things. I promise you guys. This shop has really just kind of threw me off, and I just kind of want to be honest with you guys. You know, like I got lazy. You know, just kind of with this whole shop, with the workout there, really kind of just not being able to work on anything. Like it just kind of threw me off. So we're gonna get back into the swing of things. I promise. No more of the same schedule that we've been having. We've got a lot of work to do, a lot of projects to finish up. We're gonna get to them all, and just kind of seeing the shop, being back in here is kind of just getting me back into the groove. So big things to come. I actually think as we're talking now, we actually got in some limited edition Wrenchworks stuff, some leather patch stuff. Make sure you guys head over to wrenchworks.com. You're not gonna want to miss that stuff. We really didn't order a ton. I know I say that, but this time, like, we ordered even less just because it's kind of a new stuff. So make sure you guys pop over there. And I think that's it. I think that's all I got for you guys. So hopefully you enjoyed kind of just like a regular night, just doing some shop stuff. So next step is to kind of clean up all this crap, get rid of all the garbage. I still kind of got to clean up a little bit, like some of this white stuff up here, but we'll have like a full tour, some other stuff that's coming for the shop, and yeah, we'll get like a full shop thing going. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button before you leave. Subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.